तुम्हाला मिळून जाईल. साइड क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इन व्हॉट ॲस्पेक्ट्स वेअर द ब्रदर्स अलाइक ईच ऑदर? आन्सर. द ब्रदर्स वेअर अलाइक ईच ऑदर इन फॉर्म, फीचर, फेस अँड लिम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हॉट नेम डीड द स्पीकर गेट? आन्सर. द स्पीकर गॉट हिज ब्रदर्स नेम हेनरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डीड द स्पीकर सफर ॲट स्कूल? आन्सर. द स्पीकर गॉट पनिशमेंट when his brother played mischief at school. Question number 4. What is impossible in the last two lines? Answer. It is impossible to bury a living person mistakenly instead of a dead person. English workshop. Question number 1. Rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. पोएटच्या जीवनातील घोटाळे त्यांच्या योग्य क्रमानुसार मांडणी करून पुन्हा लिहा. या प्रश्नामध्ये पोएटच्या जीवनातील काही मिस्टेक्स आपल्याला दिलेल्या आहेत. 6 मिस्टेक्स या ठिकाणी दिल्या आहेत. आपल्याला त्यांना योग्य क्रमाने या ठिकाणी त्यांची मांडणी करायची आहे. आन्सर. फर्स्ट डी, सेकंड ई. पिक आउट 4 सिच्युएशन्स इन द लाईव्स ऑफ द ट्विन्स विच आर टू ॲब्झर्ड अँड सेन्सलेस टू बिलीव. त्या जुळ्यांच्या जीवनातील विश्वास बसणार नाही अशा हास्यास्पद व मूर्खपणाच्या 4 घटना निवडून लिहा. आन्सर. फर्स्ट. द पीपल बिगॅन मिस्टेकिंग वन फॉर द अदर. सेकंड. द स्पीकर्स ब्रदर गॉट द नेम जॉन इंटेंडेड फॉर द स्पीकर. थर्ड. द स्पीकर्स इंटेंडेड ब्राइड बिकेम हिज ब्रदर्स वाईफ. फोर्थ. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Question number 3A. Complete the web diagram. पुढील वेब डायग्राम पूर्ण करा. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला हा वेब डायग्राम पूर्ण करायचा आहे. पोएट uses humor to create laughter, fun, entertain, reduce boredom, make readers happy, change of mood. Question number 3B. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. या ठिकाणी 2 ओळी आपल्याला पोएममधून लिहायच्या आहेत ज्या आपल्याला खूपच विनोदी वाटतात. आन्सर. फर्स्ट लाईन. फॉर समहाऊ माय इंटेंडेड ब्राइड बिकेम माय ब्रदर्स वाईफ. सेकंड. वेन आय डाईड द नेबर्स केम अँड बरीड ब्रदर जॉन. Question number 4. Pick out lines that contain alliteration. A. In form and feature, face and limb. B. As we were being washed by nurse. C. It puzzled all our kith and kin. Pun. A. Our close resemblance turned the tide. B. It reached a fearful pitch. Hyperbole. A. Somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. B. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Question number 5. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. Answer. A. Form and feature. B. Face and limb. C. Fearful pitch. D. Fate's decree. Question number 6. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title. Answer. Twist in the lives of twins. This is a poem about twin brothers who were exactly alike or same in every respect. Their similarity led to confusion among all the relatives. One of the twins is the speaker in the poem. He relates the incidents in his life that took place because of their similarity. For example, while the nurse was bathing them just before they were christened, She mixed them up by mistake and they were given each other's names. At school, one of them got the punishment for the other's mistakes. These examples are humorous. However, one mistake completely changed their lives. The speaker's brother got married to his intended bride. The speaker goes on to exaggerate that when he died, the neighbors buried his brother. Question number 7. Write an appreciation of the poem with reference to all points mentioned on page number 5. Appreciation of the poem. Title. The title of the poem is The Twins. Poet. The poet of the poem is Henry Shamrock Legge. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C D C D. Favorite line. My favorite line from the poem: for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the problem faced by one of the identical twins. Here, the problem is so exaggerated that it creates a humorous effect. Still, the poet achieves a balance by making the reader believe, at least for a brief moment, the logic of his argument. Figures of speech. The figures of speech used in this poem: alliteration, hyperbole, pun. Special features. The poem is written in a lighter vein to amuse the readers. The poet uses extreme exaggeration to achieve this effect. Still, the exaggerations come through the poem very convincingly that the reader, for a moment, is taken in by the absorbed logic of the argument. Why I like the poem? I like the poem because it is very funny and entertaining. However, it is not realistic because some ideas are too senseless to believe. या प्रकारे मित्रांनो द ट्विन्स या पोएमचे आपले इंग्लिश